जुवारी ॲग्रो कंपनीची मालकी पुरायपणान कंपनीकडेन आशिल्ल्यान सरकाराक हातूंत कसलोच हस्तक्षेप करपाक येना अशें विधान महसूल मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी केलां। जमनीच्या मालकी हक्का विशीं वेगवेगळ्या कोर्टांच्या आदेशाचे कॉपीज तांचे कडेन आसात, देखून सरकार हाचे विशीं आतां कांयच करपाक शकना। हे विशीं आपूण फुडल्या विधानसभा अधिवेशनात कायदे तज्ञांनी दिल्लो अहवाल मांडटलो अशें बाबूश सांगता।
आता लिगल ओपिनियन ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट झालं तर लिगल ओपिनियन अहें दाखयलेलें आमकां की they have got orders earlier from courts and from different courts, not now from other old governments. Okay. In fact, they have got basically they had looks like they had a support from the previous governments. Okay. So nothing, we will not be able to do anything about it. We will place the report or whatever we have got an opinion from the as I said, from senior advocate we have taken opinion who is well adversed with the criminal law, and we will place it on the floor of the house. So government. So anyone basically who has got any doubts. So tomorrow it should not be there should not be this thing saying that we have done something. So anyone has got a doubt can challenge that opinion. See now what is the point? Tenka ownership right
dila meळाली.
Aha. Through different court verdicts. Yeah. Okay. Order the court. So government will not be able to interfere in their decision. Okay. So we will not, our interference Ashtanani government as far as the Zuari is. Okay. That report we will be placing on the floor of the house. Okay. If any private party or any MLA feels has got any doubt, they can challenge the report.